Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be looking at level 9 to level 10, and the goal is to find the password that is stored in this file in one of the few human readable strings preceded by several equal sign characters. And these are some of the commands that we may need to solve this level. Once again, the goal of this level is to find the password that is stored inside this file, so you know it is inside this file, and it is in one of the few human readable strings preceded by this. So the password should be preceded by these characters, so you should have a few equal sign characters and then the password. Let us log in. I had already copied my password. We're in, clear this out, then let us see what we have. Yes, we have that. Now the instruction mentioned that the password is stored inside, and it is one of the few human readable strings. So let us just have a look at what this file has. Yeah, it has all this stuff because it comprises of random bytes, meaning that it has all this stuff that looks like gibberish, and it is quite a lot. So let me just clear this out, meaning that inside all that we have a few strings, and that is a hint as to which command we are going to use. So now it is one of the few human readable strings, and it is preceded by these characters. Alright, the first step of course will be to find those few human readable strings, and how you do that is using a special command known as strings. As you can see, strings will print the sequences of printable characters. In short, it will print the strings in a given file, and these are some of the options that you can use. Now, you use strings on that file. Again, that was only the first step. We take those strings, and of course we need to do some sort of filtering because we need to find only those that have been preceded by several characters. And how do you do that? Grep. So we pipe this so that we can take the strings and now filter for the ones that have been preceded by several characters. When you're dealing with characters, you use the single quotation marks, and they have told us that they need to be several of them. And several could mean anything, but the simplest way to define several in this context is more than one. So we need to have at least two of them just to denote that. And yeah, so these commands just means print out the strings in this file and then filter for the ones that have been preceded by that. We have a few. So the first one is just a word. The other one, it has not been preceded because these signs are in between this letter and the rest of these letters. Same case to this one. This one, they have not been preceded. The equal signs have been put at the end, and the only one left is this one, which looks like it has the same pattern as the other passwords, and of course it is the password if you test it. Plus, even the way they have arranged it, the password is this. Quite a clever kind of way to do it, but yes, that is how you needed to go about it. And thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.